Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi Q3 Sport. The car has the Xenon headlights with the daytime running LEDs, the front headlight washer jets, and as we move round to the side of the vehicle we have the 17-inch wide-spoke design alloy wheels. Chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the chrome roof rails, with the LED backlights with rear parking sensors and the twin polished chrome exhausts. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with four-way electronic lumbar support in the black cloth front sport seats, automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke leather steering wheel, cruise control, Audi's MMI display with DAB radio navigation with dual digital climate control and a 6-speed manual gearbox with the electronic handbrake and auto hold assist. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi Q3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.